What's up, everybody? Welcome to 4x Trail and to episode 2 of Garage Shorts. So Garage Shorts is this little series I'm doing. Typically I'm in the garage highlighting a product or something short and to the point. Today it's an announcement, and it's a cool announcement. I'm super pumped to bring you guys into this and get you excited because I'm excited. I'm currently planning my second cross-country overland trip for early September this year. It's with my buddy Stuart of Soaring Eagle Overland, and we're headed back to southwestern Colorado, southeastern Utah. Guys, this is going to be epic, and I can't wait to bring you along with us. So here's how you can be a part of this with us. First of all, subscribe to the channel. That's kind of square one. And then secondly, share this channel with a friend or two that you think would enjoy the content as much as you guys do. Look, I'm new to this whole video thing. I'm trying to get better at it. Jeeping is a hobby for me, so this is like a hobby of the hobby. And so I'd love to see more and more people getting involved and supporting the channel if you like what you see and if you want it to continue to get hopefully better and better. We've got some really cool projects planned specifically for this trip. Some awesome trail videos. We got some really cool trails on the list, guys, that we're hoping to hit. And then also some other projects we're going to do along the way that I'm super excited to share with you guys. I was out in Moab and Telluride-Ore area of Colorado last year, but it's before I had the channel. I wasn't doing videos, so this time I'm super excited to bring you guys along. I got my topo maps out. That's how you know it's getting real. I love something about physical maps. You know, I use Gaia on the trails as well, but this takes me back to when I was a kid with my dad, going backpacking and using analog gear. So that's how you know it's getting real. Got the topos out. In addition to preparing for the trip, I've got some stuff to do to the Jeep to get it ready to handle some of the trails that we're wanting to tackle. So come into the garage. Let me show you what I got planned over the next few weeks. So first of all, I am upgrading my suspension, guys. So I've had this TerraFlex 2.5-inch system on for a while. It's done really well for me. I've had it out in Moab, and it's performed great, honestly. But it's time to go a little taller. So to run these 37s, I just need a little more clearance. Even with my flat fenders and other things, I just need a little bit more clearance. So I'm moving up to 3.5-inch J-spec coils. And then I've got a set of the TerraFlex 9550 shocks, the 3 to 4-inch version. Same shock that I'm running now, just taller. Because honestly, these shocks, they're no frills, they're not fancy, they're not adjustable, but they work, and I've been really happy with them. Some extended sway bar links for the back, some extended brake lines from Evo, some bump stops. I'm trying out these Duro bump stops from Metal Cloak. I don't know if you can see them in there. They're supposedly like a less expensive version of hydraulic bump stops. They're not as good as hydraulic bump stops, but they definitely improve the ride, so I'm looking forward to trying those out. I got some extenders here, bump stop extenders, axle tube seals, because I've got some chromoly axle shafts. Now this is something that I've needed for a while. I've got the 10 factory axle shafts I'm putting in. I've got a set of fully adjustable control arms from Rough Country. Now this will be the first Rough Country product I've put on my Jeep, and I hope they don't let me down. I don't think they will, because they have a lifetime warranty. And here's the reason I got these. They are fully greasable, ball-end socket, fully adjustable, full set of 8 control arms for like half the price of the leading brands. And they have a lifetime warranty. So I'm going to give them a shot. I thought, you know what? I'm just going to give them a shot. And last but not least, I've got 2 heavy-duty drive shafts from Adams Drive Shafts that I'm super pumped to get on. That's something I've been meaning to do for a while now, and it just hasn't been in the budget until now. So I've got a lot of work to do over the next, 6 weeks or so before the trip. So guys, follow along, stay tuned. I probably won't do install videos of all that stuff I was just showing you, because some of it, there's already great videos out there on how to do that. But I will be giving reviews of a lot of this gear and keeping you guys updated on the channel on how these installs are going. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed so you can come along with us on this epic adventure in September. Can't wait. There's lots of good videos coming between now and then, so stay tuned. We'll see you guys soon.